In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rocketmoney 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get set up, track your money, and make the most of the app without feeling overwhelmed. Start by downloading the Rocketmoney app from your device's app store and creating an account. Enable notifications so you don't miss alerts about spending, bills, or savings opportunities. A quick verification is usually required, and then you're in. Next, link your bank accounts. Choose your primary checking and credit cards first, then add savings, loans, and investments if you want a fuller picture. The connection is read-only and encrypted, and you can disconnect later if needed. The more accounts you link, the better Rocketmoney can organize your finances and spot patterns. Head to the subscriptions area to identify recurring charges. The app will surface memberships and trials you may have forgotten. Review each one, confirm anything that looks unfamiliar, and cancel what you no longer want. Some cancellations can be handled inside the app. Others may require a quick confirmation with the provider. Pay attention to annual renewals and trial end dates to avoid surprise charges. Now set up your budget. Start with broad categories like housing, groceries, transportation, dining, and savings. Use your recent spending history to set realistic limits rather than guessing. It's fine to keep it simple at first. You can refine categories and amounts after a week or two as you see what actually happens. As transactions roll in, track your spending. The app auto-categorizes, but it's worth spot checking and recategorizing anything that's off so your reports stay accurate. Turn on alerts for large purchases or when you approach a category limit. A quick weekly review keeps your budget on track with minimal effort. Monitor your bills by adding due dates and linking known billers. You'll get reminders before payments are due, and you can spot increases or duplicate charges early. This alone helps prevent late fees and surprises. If you want, try Smart Savings. Set a goal and contribution amount, and let the app move small, safe transfers on a schedule. Keep an eye on your account balance and pause transfers if cash is tight. Check your net worth to see assets minus debts. Connect investment and loan accounts or add assets manually and update big items occasionally. Focus on long-term trends rather than day-to-day swings. Consider upgrading to Premium if you need advanced features like deeper insights, enhanced cancellation help, or more customization. Choose the plan that fits your needs and budget. Finally, stay consistent. Do a quick weekly check-in, adjust your budget as life changes, and celebrate small wins. With a few minutes a week, Rocketmoney can help you stay organized and confident with your finances.